Hello, I'm Harvey from Intrim, and I'm here today to show you how to install wainscoting, which is a type of wall panelling using inlay mould and chair rail. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure that you have the tools and equipment required. Then, establish the height to the top of the chair rail. From the top of the chair rail mark, measure down the height or width of the chair rail and place another mark. This mark is the bottom of your chair rail. The distance between the top of the skirting board and the underside of the chair rail will be the length of your measuring stick. Cut the height stick to this length, which will vary depending on the height of chair rail and size of chair rail. Mark the underside of chair rail onto the wall at regular intervals with the height stick. Then measure overall length of chair rail. Cut the chair rail to length. If the chair rail is thicker than the architrave, cut a slight bevel on the front face of the chair rail so it meets with the architrave thickness. Locate the studs or timber framework behind the plasterboard with a stud finder at chair rail height. Then position the chair rail using the height stick and fix in place with the fixing nail gun and glue. Set out wall panels for inlay moulds using the 90mm spacers. Mark all 4 external corners for the individual sectional wall, starting with the top right corner and completing all corners. Then tack a nail on the left vertical mark of the left end wall panel. Then hook the tape measure onto this nail and measure the overall distance of the wall panels. Calculate the number of wall panels and spacings for that section of wall. Mark out individual wall panels and the length and height of each wall panel. Make a 45-degree cut on the end of each inlay mould. Use initial cut length of vertical and horizontal inlay mould as a length template for cutting additional horizontal and vertical lengths the same size. Place inlay moulds in bundles per panel close to the installation area. Begin installing the inlay moulds to form rectangular wall panels using the 90mm spacers. Then continue fixing the other 2 pieces of inlay mould to form a complete rectangular wall panel using 90mm spacers and ensuring that mitres are joined neatly and correctly. Continue to fix the next wall panel using the same method. Fit and fix the final wall panel for this sectional wall using 90mm spacers. Now the wainscoting installation is complete and ready for sanding and painting.